Usembut Menteri Rangba Khubor ba Prestone tensong ulaong ba kajingat duty election jugi NONGHIKAI kamdai setia ba sorkar ka penkhia ya ka kamjongki. Habakran bakilat pathai Khubor usembut Menteri Rangba ulaong ba ki NONGHIKAI ki bangat haka duty election ki yo ru ya ka bai BUROM ka bala bankot khatsan hajar hadu arpho hajar tengka.
Yeah. Well, in fact, it is very simple. Very, very simple, let me tell you. See, for this first phase, we have calculated it takes only 30 days. Only 30 days, the teachers can go to those designated villages where we already assigned. Only 30 days. That 30 days also, it is up to them. You know, because they can work maybe after school, 2 hours, 3 hours. They can go along with the help of the traditional heads, the Rangbashnong and all. They'll go maybe 4, 5 houses in a day, another 4, 5 houses in a day, because this is about the enumeration. Okay, it's about enumeration. The form is already there. The prescribed form is already there. Ask, fill up, explain to the citizens of the state. It's very simple. So we have already calculated that it is not that overloaded of work is there. Rather, I should say, there'll be also beneficially, monetarily benefited, because we are also giving them some bonus lump sum amount for 1 month. I think the range is between 15 to 20,000 something. That is it. So I don't see any problem as of now, because those teachers, and not only that, it's not only from the state government level we did this. This is done because the charge officer is the BDO of the respective block. So the BDO will only engage them after consultation with the Rangbashnong, with the managing committee, and then with the concerned department. So once that is done, then only the order for engaging them in this activity starts.